Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. I am an orthopedic surgeon. And I just want to tell you that being a doctor is an honor. And this is something that we all look up to. On the occasion of Doctor's Day, I would just like to tell you that you are gifted to save and improve the best creation of good God above, the human life. And your dream is to save and improve lives. Never ever give up on this. This is such a beautiful thing that you might have to overcome your personal, professional, or exam related fears. But trust me, when you are able to overcome all this and you rise up, it will be absolutely worth it. Today, I just want to remind you that being doctor is special. This dream is wonderful. Our persistence is to never give up. These are some of the beautiful lines which I thought that maybe I can speak to you, right? Number one, कर दिया बेफिक्र तूने, अब फिक्र कैसे करूं? फिक्र तो अब ये है कि तेरा शुक्र कैसे करूं? अगर थोड़ा सा सब्र सीख जाऊं तो ये समझ पाऊं कि अगर जिंदगी में 10 मुश्किलें आई हैं तो 100 खुशियां भी आएंगी. The main thing is that if we are thankful and grateful to the good God above, and we have this feeling of never giving up, we will be able to escalate to a point of saving and improving human lives, that the climb and the view from the climb will be absolutely worth it. I, along with my team, will like to thank all of you and wish all of you happy Doctor's Day. Thank you very much.